pa kẹ́kẹ́ ò pa rere.
Adédoyin mọ̀ mí ṣe a o.
Pa kẹ́kẹ́ ò pa rere.
All Mayas are warriors and conquerors. When they fight, they must win traditionally, and that has been the history about Mayas. I am happy to be Maya because I was given the instrument of office as the Maya of the source of Yoruba land. So many Obas have invited me to come and take titles and so on and so forth. And up till this moment, I have not taken any title apart from this Maya. And by the special grace of God, it stays there stamped. Maya actually means it does not change. Something that cannot change. When I pray for you like this, it is correct. It is my belief that Ashe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, in Yoruba land, there is what is called Ashe. And when you put it like this, and you pray for somebody, you can be very sure that it will not change. So that is the power that the Maya has. And it was inherited. It's an inheritance. And each Maya, as another Maya is coming, it is given to that person. And it is normally from the Ooni of Ife. It comes from the Ooni of Ife. And there's something they call the Ado in Yoruba land. And they say, Mẹ́ta ni Ado Baba Agba. That is, you have three of them. The first one, you use it to ensure that you are comfortable and you are successful. The second one is that you use it to pray for people that have pleased you, that you are happy with. You use it to pray for them. The third one is that, God forbid, is completely negative. When you want to curse somebody, when somebody has offended you, it stays like that. And by the special grace of God, I think Yorubas are very powerful. Very, very powerful. And some people have inherited it. And anybody that has such, by the time he's ready to go, he will know. And he must hand it over to a Yoruba person. And that's a simple summary of what Maya means. It's not common, it's not everywhere. You can be Maya of any other place, but not Maya of the source of Yoruba land. And the person that has it is the person who will hand it over to, or the Ooni of Ife will hand over it to that person. That is how it goes.
Pa kẹ́kẹ́ ò pa rere.
Adédoyin mọ̀ mí ṣe a o.
Traditionally in Yoruba land, when an Ooni of Ife is going, and it's an authentic Ooni of Ife, not the one that has got there through any other one, because there have been so many Oonis. Or even there have been an MSA, royal servant, in Yoruba land. We have had it in history that the royal servant deceived the people and got to the place and became Ooni. So if it's an authentic Ooni of Ife, and the Ooni is going, so it's ready to go home, it's ready to go and rest, he will know definitely, at least few days to the time, he will know. So when this late Ooni of Ife was going, he called the left chiefs, he called the right chiefs, he called some prominent Ife sons. All the royal servants too were there. And he said, Tí ojú bá yẹ ojú o, kóun má yẹ wo. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi yìí o, ẹ má change o, nítorí pé ẹni tó máa ru ẹrù ìfẹ̀lẹ̀ léyìí o. To translate it, he said, Tí ojú bá yẹ ojú, that is when we can no longer see again. And what we have said now, when we can no longer communicate together, do not change my decision. If you change my decision, you are going to regret it. And then he called the oldest man in that place, older than himself, which was the man should be, the man is still alive. He's like 90 something now, years old. The current lower of Ife was there. He's still alive. Some of the MSS, the royal servants too, were also there, and so on and so forth. They were there, and he said that a man that was 90 something to pray for Dr. Ramon. The man prayed for me. And that was how it ended. And you know that the person lower here was the person who said, history has repeated itself today. That was exactly how Oba Adesiju Ade came to be Ooni. That was exactly how Oba Adesoji Aderemi came to be Ooni, and so on and so forth. The late Oba Lufe, Oba S.F. Omishakin, who was my father, he did not see anything. The late lower then, he was also sitting by his side, by the side of the Ooni and the side of the oldest man. The man did not see anything. They went out. The Kemade Elubaju was also there. Before we went out, the man kept silent. He did not say anything again. And so the MSS were crying, thinking that the man was going to die on that day. But he did not die. So later, he invited me, and he said, our family have come to visit from Agbedegbede 2 in Okirimi. They have come to meet him, and they told me that you are going to be the next Soko. As he was saying it, is Soko like entered, one of the chiefs, which is closest to him in the Soko something. When the person entered, the person said, Soko Maye. Then the late Ooni of Ife said, no, it's not Soko Maye. That is not the type of Soko it's going to be. The Soko is going to be is just the one they do a day or two before it becomes the Ooni of Ife. Unfortunately, on that day, I said, Kabiyesi, mi sọ pé mo fẹ́ jẹ́ Ooni o, ọ̀rọ̀ Soko la bá wá sí ibi o. I did not say that I wanted to be Ooni o. We have come to tell you about the joker about Soko Shipo. Said just go. That was how it ended. So on the issue of contesting for the Ooni of Ife, I think I was brought in to contest. That is the summary of the whole thing. I never said I wanted to be Ooni of Ife. I never begged anybody to be Ooni of Ife. And I believe that I did not beg anybody to be the Ooni of Ife. And inside the caucus, it was concluded that I would be the Ooni of Ife. And they did not make me the Ooni of Ife. And I'm thankful to God because I have my peace. He said again that this man is going to carry Ntomare Ifereo. That was the way the late on he said Ntomare Ifereo. Now there is no load on my head now. Is there any load on my head? There is no load on my head. I am always praying for the person that is carrying the load. It's a big load though. And you can see a series of things about him. He's still carrying loads. He's carrying a big luggage. So I am not carrying anything, and I'm thanking God.
Oduduwa University, Iketimodu, PMB 5533 Ile-Ife, a federal government licensed university. Admissions into full-time, part-time degrees and postgraduate degrees are now on. Courses available are bachelor's degree and master degrees at the College of Management and Social Sciences, College of Natural and Applied Sciences, College of Engineering and Technology, as well as College of Environmental Designs and Management. At Oduduwa University, we also have College of Entrepreneurial Studies, where students learn various vocations and trade before graduation. At Oduduwa University, we also have the Center for International Studies and Exchange Programs, where our students in Part 3 spend a semester in countries like the USA, UK, Germany, Russia, and Ghana. Report for screening this Thursday at 12 p.m. at Oduduwa University, Ikpetumodu, PNB 5533, Ile-Ife. Telephone 080 56 56 56 56 or Oduduwa Polytechnic 213, Egbeda Idumu Road, Idumu, Lagos. Telephone 080 58 55 55 58. You can also visit us at Oduduwa College of Professional Studies, opposite First Bank, near Uniban, Ugbowo, Benin City. Telephone 070 56 55 55 54 or Akpo Resettlement Area, Abuja 080 56 56 56 56. Visit our website at www.oduduwauniversity.edu.ng. We can also change your university of choice to Oduduwa University. OUI fees are affordable and we also grant scholarships. Oduduwa University, yes, committed to qualitative education.
jẹ́ kí hàn kíyàn bọ́lẹ̀ èsì lérè yọ jẹ́ kí hàn wíyùn rẹ̀ èsì ní ibi hàn gbèjọ́ ní màáyìn lágbèjà àfẹ́ o fásitì lọ́gbọ̀ wá.
Number one, when the late Ooni of Ife was to die, one of the things he said was that this is the man that will carry the burden of Ile-Ife. It was then that I realized that himself was carrying the burden of Ile-Ife people. Today, I thank the Almighty God that I am not carrying any burden on my head. Apart from taking care of my students, my family, my staff, and so on. So he's carrying a lot of burdens on his head, like everybody can see. And there is noise here and there about the present on Okunwusi. As somebody that loves him, because he might not agree that somebody who contested with him can be his lover. As somebody that loves Ile-Ife, who does not want any problem in Ile-Ife, I used to talk to him. I used to chat with him. And I have advised him severally about his wives. I have advised him severally about gold business. I have advised him severally about the running of that stool, because I once told him that I ate in the same pot severally with the late Ooni of Ife for years. I ate in the same pot severally with the Obalufe, who was the second in command to the Ooni of Ife. So I believe that they respected me so much, and they saw that this man will always say the facts. So on that ground, I have advised him severally. But one major problem was that, one, those people who wanted to enter in, I don't know what they say they enter into him. Those people were the young guys which he has gathered together with him. The young guys are just after what they are going to eat. I can say boldly that they were giving him wrong advice. And that is why Ife is what Ife today. Himself too looks like he despised all the chiefs who were always surrounding the late Ooni of Ife. I don't know what happened between them. Looks like he doesn't want to see them or something like that. Then I also saw that most of the people who come to the palace these days are people who are possibly from outside. Then I also believe that his thought was that if not for that palace, I couldn't have been what I am today. And he might be very, very wrong. That was his belief. And I also believe that the word Oduduwa, they believe that only Ife people can use Oduduwa, whereas Oduduwa belongs to every person who are Yorubas, because all Yorubas are from Ile-Ife here. You can see that the gold business has almost messed him up completely. I was the first person to tell him that This is not how to do this thing. This is not how to do this gold business that, in fact, there was a time they were bragging that, yes, we are anybody that says that the gold business we are doing is not good, should go and do his own this and that. And you can see the mess up here and there about the gold business, this and that. So I advised him about that. But as far as I'm concerned, those who don't love him are the people advising him, and he is listening. We have experience. Because at least I told you that I was inside the Ooni of Ife, the late Ooni of Ife's room, private room here. Similarly, Obalufe, the late Obalufe, I was inside his room. So there is nothing I don't know. They said I should come to the palace of the Ooni of Ife after the contest. I told them spiritually, I am not going to come. Because our agreement was still Ojuba Yeoju, Ko Ma Yeon. Oju de Yeoju. So there is something I have to do when that has happened. So it's one of those things that is open to the public is that I should not go there. If I go there, what is the consequence? If I go there to prostrate for him, what is the consequence? Suppose we say it cannot happen. Suppose it happened. So all those factors are still there. So if you ask him now, his number one enemy in the world, he will say it's Maya. But I believe that Maya is not his enemy. His enemies are the people surrounding him. There are plenty because of what they want to eat, because of what they are going to take from him. And I'm not sure there are too many things that they have that they can even get from him. But because of the belief of the people that they can get from the Ooni, so many of them clustered around him and they were giving him wrong advices. There are good Ife people in Ile-Ife here. How many of them do I see in the palace? In the palace of the Ooni of Ife today? Frankton, how many of them are there? Those who go there, they go there because of what they want to eat. Those who go there, they go there because of maybe they will get some tiny positions here and there. In the olden days, it is believed that if you want to become minister or whatever, it is through the palace. Because then they said, if any Oba, Koleyan, Ife has a king, but Ife does not have people. But Ife now has king, and Ife has people, Abi, Loba Pari. There are too many Ifes that are doing very well all over the world. So, Ife Leyan, Ife then, Oba. So, the miscreants, that's the language I use for them. The miscreants who are supporting him, who are surrounding him, has made him to believe that the Maya is an enemy of the Ooni. I am not. I am not an enemy of Ile-Ife. There was a time they called me an enemy of Ile-Ife. When they said that, I said, okay, who is an enemy of Ile-Ife? Somebody who established more than 10 businesses. He has bank, he has hotel, he has secondary school, he has polytechnic, he has university. Even if he is very greedy and stingy, and he does not want to give a kobo to anybody, whether he wants or not, kobos must come out. Now, are you comparing that person with somebody who started digging everywhere in Ile-Ife? And when they dig, so when your house now, they can come there and say, Ife, one lay. The property of Ife is inside your house. The moment they say the property of Ife is inside your house, what will you do? You will start looking around. Did I steal anybody's property? But that's not the property. They are saying that gold is inside the ground. And the only way is that you leave the place and they take their gold or something like that. So you can see, those are the small boys. I'm sure the Ooni will not ask them to go and tell the owner of a house that property of Ile-Ife is inside that person's house and they must demolish it. I'm sure even no Ooni will say that. But these boys surrounding him, they will say, Babawi. That's our language in Ife, that Babawi. That is Ooni said. If they have done something, they go to the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Babawi. If the man will not say you should go and slap somebody or take somebody's wife, I'm sure Anoni will never do that. So they use on his name, influence, and so on and so forth. And when they come back, he embraces them and so on. Because whatever they tell him is what they believe. There used to be somebody who was always pouring aspersions on Oni from overseas. When they said it's Maye that has asked that person to start saying that, I don't even have that time at all. I don't know the person. I've never talked to that person. But everything they want to say is Maye. I am not interested in Oni of Ife. I am not interested in the position. Leave me alone. Maye is enough. I even told the late Oni of Ife that Maye was enough for me when they said I should contest for the position. When it was unilaterally agreed that this will be the person that will be the Oni. So leave me alone for God's sake. Let me continue my business. I am no longer interested in being the Oni of Ife. Leave me as a Maye of the source of Yoruba race. And the instrument, I have it. It's not mouth talk.
Physical.
It's not physical. It's something. It's more than. It's spiritual. I pray for people every day, and millions people make it through me, and I'm happy that people are becoming successful, and I'm taking care of myself too. And whoever is trying to do something negative to me is going to perish untimely. So it's a warning.
This is Hilton Hotels. Chief Dr. Ramon Adedonyiwe, Barakin Obalufe, Ile-Ife, a 4-star hotel located in the commercial center of Ile-Ife with all standard modern amenities to make your lodging a memorable one. Fully air-conditioned rooms, standby generator, standard swimming pool, spacious parking space, 24 hours adequate security. Our restaurant is at your service for delicious African and continental dishes, and our bar is fully stocked with assorted wines and cold drinks. For your seminars, workshops, wedding receptions, and other social events at Benny Hall and 2,000 seaters RAF Event Center offer you the best services. We will treat you like a king and spoil you like a prince. Hilton Hotels, Chief Dr. Ramon Adedonyiwe, Barakin Obalufe, Ile-Ife. Telephone 080 60 22 55 55 or www.hiltonhotelife.com. Hilton Hotels Ile-Ife, is it? Yes, a complete home away from home.
Ikọ̀ ọmọdé ìlú máa jẹun ọyọ ọmọdé ìfẹ́ ọmọ ṣe yàgbà afẹ́ o òjì gìdìrí láǹbù àọ̀ ní màmá bínú ọmọ pọ̀ lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ àgbà tí ò bínú lọ́mọ rẹ̀ ẹ̀ pọ̀ o.
People of Ile-Ife, generally, I want to beg them in the name of the Almighty God, they should not fight the Oni of Ife. That is my prayer. I want to beg them, I want to appeal to them, for whatever he has done, they should not fight him. They should not fight him because the Oni that we have was never in Ife seriously. We people were in Ife every day. We don't have any place going. So many people who are Omo Ife, they are in Ife here. They know Ife. They know that when in Ife, they say go to Lagiri. They know whether you should be looking at Irema or you go to Lagiri. But he came, and I'm sure he will be learning when they say now go to Akrabata. He will look at it very well, whether he should go to Lagiri before going to Akrabata. Then number 2 advice that I have for the Oni, apart from the people of Ile-Ife, is that he should try, it's not too late. You could have done some things wrongly. You can start doing some things rightly. By the time you start doing right things, then things will normalize back. This is my prayer for him. And I hope he's going to listen. That all these elderly people that he has abandoned, he should call them. He should call them. Myself, he should call them. The elderly people who have been in Ife for 50, 60, 70 years old, and all these miscreant Ewis, people who are singing Ewi for him, they are creating more problems. What is Ewi? Poetry. Those people, they are his enemies. They are just getting more enemies for him every day. The Ewe people will come to me and say they want to sing, that they have had one poetry somewhere and they want to sing back. They want to help me to attend. Don't worry. Don't worry. That is not going. Is it going to bring me money? It's only going to bring me enmity. It's not going to bring. Go and look for something that can bring me money. I have a bank in Ife. I have a university in Ife. I have a polytechnic in Ife. I have a hotel in Ife. I can start naming them that I have a lot of things. Look at our water, OUI water. That is what so many people are drinking. We cannot meet the demand of Ile-Ife people in terms of supplying them pure, good water. So you can see what we are doing. We are the friends of Ile-Ife. And everybody knows, only miscreants who are eating. I even heard that one miscreant built his salary is 10,000 naira per month. I heard that he built a house that worth about 400 million during this gold business. That money that the guy was stealing and praising him is not helpful to him, because this money belongs to all the people of Ile-Ife. It belongs to everybody here. It doesn't belong to that guy. That guy should go to school and go and look for a better job instead of being an MSA or whatever they call them. So we are friends of Ile-Ife, and the people of Ile-Ife, we advise them from time to time. Yeah, we have experience, the elders are there. So they should look into that and ensure that the corrections are done within it. I was listening to the Ife Development Board. They said there will be new Ile-Ife. This Ile-Ife cannot change Ile-Ife. We people inside Ile-Ife should ensure that we do very well. Each time they are talking, they are always saying alale, alale, alale. They don't even know what is called alale, because alale is against them, because they are the people who are cheating the Ile-Ife people. And the alale is spirit. Ile-Ife is like a spirit. It is like a spirit. And the spirit know who is. If you say you are God, you say yes, so you are God. The spirits know whether you are God or not. So that is why so many things are against them. So they should turn to better things and do better things, so that the alale they are shouting will not be antagonizing them, because they are not doing very well. They should do well. When they do well, God will be with them. The spirits will now embrace them. When they don't do well, the spirits will keep on attacking them. Once again, I am not interested in Ooni of Ife's position again. Leave me alone. Thank you very much.
Àgbà tí ò bínú lọmọ rẹ̀ ẹ̀ pọ̀ o. Adédoyin mọ̀ jẹ́ kíṣẹ́ Odùduwà parun. Ó ti ṣègùn Ilé-Ifẹ̀ dín o. Ó forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o. Ó forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o. Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ó bá ṣe la máa ròyìn.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Bàrẹ̀ ń wù mí yé.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Adédoyin sọ Ilé-Ifẹ̀ dín o.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ọ̀sọ́dúnyọ̀ ọ̀sọ́dọ̀yìn.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Òun ló dá Odùduwà fásitì kalẹ̀ o.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ilé-Ifẹ̀ ò dáyé.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ilé-Ifẹ̀ ọ̀nẹ́.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ẹ̀ka ètò ẹ̀kọ́ ló
Ó ṣeré
níranran.
ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Yàrá àkàwé ó dára.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Àìmọye ọmọ ló ti sórí
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ilé-ìwé Odùduwà fásitì
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
gbogbo ọmọ Oòduà pátá.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ẹlájà àǹfààní ẹ̀kọ́ ó pé.
Ó ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Gbogbo ọmọ Oòduà nílé lóko
Ó ṣeré
lọ́nà
ṣeré
èdè.
forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ẹ̀mọ̀ wálé láwo
Ó
mèremère.
ṣeré ṣeré forí yùn sọ́lẹ̀ o.
Ó ti ṣègùn Ilé-Ifẹ̀ dín
Ó
o.
ṣeré ṣeré